Dear friends, in this episode we are going to learn what is science. Science is a branch of knowledge or study dealing with a body of facts, truth, systematically arranged and showing the operation of general laws. Science can be used to enrich your knowledge and to solve the problems, and any system of knowledge that is concerned with the physical world and its phenomena that entails unbiased observations and systematic experimentation. In general, a science involves a pursuit of knowledge covering general truths and operation of fundamental laws. Science can be divided into different branches based on the subject of study. The physical science is to study the inorganic world and the comprises of the fields of astronomy, physics, chemistry and the earth sciences. The biological sciences such as biology and medicine is for the study of organic world of life and its processes. Social sciences like anthropology and economics is for study the cultural and social aspects of human behavior. Science is further treated in number of ways, and it helps to increase your knowledge, to increase your understanding, and to increase your decision making power. There are many scientific methods and principles which help you to increase your understanding, increase your science knowledge. Thank you to listening this episode.